Hi, I'm Jessica Shalloe with FloodGate Medical, and I'm excited to welcome you to another edition of our Buzz Report. Today, I will be highlighting the emerging spine companies and their exciting new products and techniques that we saw at this year's NASS conference in Boston. Attending NASS were some of the most innovative companies in the spine space, including some up-and-coming startups that are really paving the way for the future of the spine industry. It has been a crazy 2 years for the spine space with COVID-19 and the wave of elective surgeries, but it was great to be back in NASS in person. Even though attendance may have been lighter than previous years, the energy and excitement around innovation and new products was stronger than ever. First up is Accelus. The Accelus booth was all the hype with the launch of their new robotic navigation system. This new system is changing the game for robotic spine surgery, and it's paving the way for the wide-scale adoption of robotics. It has a shorter procedure workflow, but it maintains the same accuracy as the most commonly used robotic platform for a fraction of the cost. The entire system is lightweight and compact enough to fit in a suitcase, making it perfect for ASC, the fastest growing segment. Next, I'm excited to highlight Atec Spine. Atec's strategy to move beyond the hardware was impressive as they sought to make the fastest growing lateral approach more accessible with their PTP approach, which minimizes the unnecessary patient repositioning, ultimately saving time and providing the surgeon with options during the procedure. A lot of exciting things to come from their recent acquisition of EOS, which is their full body imaging system providing unparalleled diagnostic and surgical planning. EOS imaging combined with Atec's approach can better inform the surgery and the predictability of the outcomes. Next up is Augmedics. Their super surgeon themed campaign was clever to say the least to showcase their groundbreaking X-ray vision spine system. Augmedics is revolutionizing the spinal surgery with their first augmented reality guidance system. This allows surgeons to keep an eye on their patients while using their spinal navigation systems at the same time. With their wireless high-speed approach and built-in surgical tracking system, Augmedics has allowed surgeons to move freely in the OR for a faster and safer workflow than ever before. In the rehab market, Theragen launched the first bone stimulator that we've seen in decades. This has allowed them to leverage modern innovation by significantly reducing the size of the device. At the show, you could hardly even tell they were wearing them. What's meaningful for the physician is the data, which provides an easy-to-understand dashboard that is going to ensure all of the compliance. Spineology has evolved inner body fusion with their latest technique that promotes quality outcomes from minimally invasive spine surgery. The virtual reality display at NASS showed us how this procedure using Optilift enables inner body fusion through an access smaller than any other fusion procedure before. This advancement, combined with their expandable fusion system, results in a better recovery with less time in the hospitals than ever before, with an 88% of patients returning to work within 6 months and a 90% reporting excellent satisfaction. Lastly, I want to highlight Durastat. Durastat is an emerging startup that showcased their breakthrough needle and suture device for dural repair. Dural tears are the most common complications in spine surgery, and the tools available for the surgeons for effective treatment have been limited during minimally invasive surgeries. Durastat is focused on addressing those key limitations of conventional repair tools with their simple surgical device that enables quality, efficiency, and access by combining the steps and reducing variation. Durastat aims to partner with surgeons as they make these procedural and site of care migrations while contributing to the cost savings and better outcomes for patients. Well, I hope you enjoyed the buzz from this year's NASS conference and a preview of what the spine industry has in store. We would love to hear from you on what you thought of the buzz at this year's NASS, and stay tuned for the next episode of the Buzz Report from SAWC.